Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to customize the theme options, and also I will be showing you the basic settings that we will be changing for our website. Okay, so if you go to the website, we can see things like header on the top with the logo and the social icons, as well as if you go to the bottom we can see a footer which has a logo, our address, copyright and social network. Okay, so you might be thinking how to change it. Okay, but if you go to the appearance you will be able to see and theme option. Okay, this is the place where we can change the options. We have some options like we can add our logo, preload and many other things. Okay, but this is not directly changeable. So what we will be doing is we will be going to Elementor and click on the settings. In the settings we will be enabling custom footer and custom header. Once that is done, we will go to the custom footer. Now they both can be edited with the Elementor page editor. Elementor is a page editor that enables us to live edit the pages without coding, which is the best page editor that I have seen, which comes for free with the theme and is also a free. If you go to the plugins directory, you will be able to find the Elementor page builder. So now let's try to edit it. So this is the Elementor builder which is being loaded. Now you can see it is example of white footer, but we don't need a white footer. The black footer looks good. So we will be using the black footer for now. So let's try to customize this. Click on edit with, and here we go. Elementor has many options and many components that we can drag and drop to start editing. So let's try to edit the address. Okay, so once you click it, just click on the pencil icon. Now you will be able to change the address. For example, our address is virtual address, and the copyright, let's try to keep it all rights reserved 2019. Okay, so it's 2019, and let's try to change the icon. So for the website I've already added an icon. See, this is the icon that I have choose. Let's insert it. Wow, you can see the restaurant icon has been changed. As now let's try to change the icons. This is the icons where we can add any link. So for now let's try to add the default website link. The hash means that the link is no longer workable. Now it's done. Let's try to save it. And once it's saved, let's try to refresh the footer. Okay, now you can see the footer has been changed with the virtual address, copyright and the social icons that are redirected to this page. Okay, let's try to change. Okay, wait, we can do one thing. Let's try to remove some icons. For example, we don't need the Instagram, now the TripAdvisor. Let's keep only Facebook and Twitter, and Facebook above the Twitter. Let's update it. Okay, so that's done. Let's try to change the header as well. Okay, so let's close this, open the dashboard. Just like the footer, we will also be able to see a custom header. Let's click on it. Centered logo header. Let's click on edit with Elementor. Awesome. The header. Okay, so if you want to change the icon, just click on it, and now you will be able to select the logo that you have and just insert it. Okay, it's done. We can also change the menu, but let's keep as it is for now, and let's try to change this. So you can see this, right? Let's try to remove this, and this is the same like the way we wanted. Let's try to add the Facebook as well as the Twitter. Let's try to save it. Awesome. So we have saved header as well as footer. In the next lecture, I will be starting with the home page changes. Awesome, right? The whole logo has been changed, as well as the social icons are redirected to this page. Thanks for watching.